Hi guys, my name is Meg. I'm a product manager here at Paperless Parts, and today I'm going to give you a sneak peek of one of our upcoming features called the BOM Builder. If you're a shop who regularly quotes assemblies, this tool will make it fast and easy to set up your product bill of materials. Whether you're working from a really clean model or step file of the entire assembly, or maybe your buyer has only sent you an Excel spreadsheet and a zip folder full of a dozen PDFs like I've got over here. This release includes not just the BOM Builder interface, but other tools that are purpose-built to help you save time and speed up quoting, regardless of what types of files you're working from. Over here, for instance, we've trained our Wingman AI to detect and extract BOM tables from both prints and spreadsheets and put them into a copyable format so that instead of having your estimator spend hours of time punching in part numbers and descriptions for parts in an assembly, all they need to do is copy that data from the table and paste it where it needs to go in the BOM Builder. As you enter information into the BOM Builder, we're going to continuously try to see what we can do to speed up the process for you. Here, for instance, I've just entered 9 part numbers. Based on that information, we've been able to match 9 components to where we think they belong in the BOM. And once those are assigned out, we can also suggest information like descriptions, so I don't have to go back and grab it from the PDF. If your assemblies are more complex, setting up structures like sub-assemblies or parts with hardware is as easy as dragging and dropping rows to where they need to go. And if at any point you make a mistake, no sweat, all you need to do is hit Control-Z on your keyboard or click one of our undo or redo buttons. Once your BOM is fully set up, go ahead and publish your changes to save them to the quote item. And from there, you're good to cost and price your quote. The team is putting the finishing touches on this functionality to get ready for general availability in April, but we are not going to stop there. While the copy-paste workflow that I just walked you through has saved some of our beta customers hours, we are still training our Wingman AI so that we won't just give you a table that's copyable, but even suggest it in the BOM Builder, mirroring the experience of getting a BOM extracted from a model. Stay tuned for more details on that front, or better yet, come to Power at the end of April to check it out for yourself and see it live.